Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm here again with another quick recipe. This was delicious. I wasn't even going to upload it because, I am on a little break right now, but this recipe was so good. I said, let me capture it on my cell phone and show it to y'all. But this is black pepper bacon. I'm making bacon jalapeno rice. You guys know I make rice a lot and I always find ways to switch it up. If you can't find the black pepper bacon, just make sure you get a good quality bacon from the store. So you want to saute it down until it's nice and crispy, just like I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to add jalapeno and garlic. I love this garlic paste because it's convenient. After I do that, I'm going to mix it up, get it nice and going. Yes, I'm leaving the bacon fat because it's going to coat the rice. If you feel as if it's too much fat in the pot, you could take some out, use a paper towel and, pat at it or whatever, but I chose to use it because, it was just enough for the rice, the amount of rice that I'm using. As you can see, it's not swimming in oil. So if yours accumulated too much oil, just make sure you just remove some of it. So I'm going to saute my washed basmati rice, is what I just added. And I'm adding chicken broth, and I'm going to cover this up and allow it to cook. I did season it with a little pepper, a little salt, but I'm telling you, it doesn't need it. The jalapeno and the bacon takes this recipe over the top. You don't need to overly season it. Y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all. While that's cooking, I'm going to season my chicken tenders with ancho chili powder and adobo. You don't need much here. I'm basically making apricot stewed chicken. Now, please don't kill your chicken with seasoning. There's no point of doing that. We're making an amazing sauce. So I kept it simple. As you can see, I didn't even add salt. Alright, so this is how the rice looks after about 15 minutes. Basmati and the jasmine rice, they don't take a long time to cook. And this is how it looks. Y'all, the smell off of this rice is so good. It does have a slight kick. I'm letting y'all know now it has a slight kick, but it's just so delicious. I surprise myself every time when I make rice because it's so many delicious, amazing ways to make them. Alright, so these are the ingredients you'll need to make the sauce. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you give me a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And if you're not new, hit the notification bell. And if you're new, you need to do that as well. Thank y'all so much for y'all's support. So now I'm going to sear my chicken tenders on both sides until they develop a little color. We are going to cook it down, so don't worry about it. So to my bowl, I'm going to add a big old spoon of apricot jam. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add some soy sauce. That's actually low sodium soy, so make sure you be careful with that. Next, I'm going to add some ketchup. It's going to give body and flavor to assist the jam. I'm also going to add some stock. You can use beef or chicken. Really doesn't matter. And then you want to mix it up just like I'm doing here. Now, my apricot jam had real apricot pieces in it. So those couple of pieces of clumps is not going to break down in my bowl. So, yeah, that's what you see right there. Next, I'm going to add some more garlic paste. Y'all, I done abused this garlic paste so much. I love it. I got it from Aldi, and I just used the last of it. Lastly, I'm going to add the orange juice, from the orange. And that's it for the sauce, I think. Yeah, but that's it for the sauce. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'm just going to pour this right over the chicken. I did also cut up some peppers, and that's also going to give color and flavor. So as you can see here, I'm breaking down the garlic and breaking down the apricot jam. Again, it won't all the way disappear. It's going to cook off. Don't worry about it. So now I'm going to add my red and yellow bell peppers all over top. And then I'm going to add my sauce all over the top of that. Oh my God. This looks so good, you guys. And I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook until the sauce reduces. Remember, this is a chicken tender, so, they cook fast. So, all you're doing is reducing the sauce. Don't worry about if the chicken is cooked. The chicken was already half cooked before we even put the sauce here. So all you're doing is reducing it until it becomes thick. Your chicken is cooked. Your chicken is cooked. Oh Lord, I'm gonna say it again. Your chicken is cooked. Do not cook this chicken tender to death. But this is how it looks, nice and beautiful. The sauce is thick. The peppers are not overcooked. As you can see, they're still nice and bright. This only cooked down for maybe 10 minutes. I had it on medium-high heat, and that was it. So now I'm going to put the rice on the plate. Y'all know I like making stuff cute and pretty, whatever. And this is what it looks like. An easy, simple dinner and fast, kind of cheap to make. And yeah, I hope somebody give it a try. So I know someone's going to ask, is the chicken sweet? Is it this? Is it that? The chicken is not sweet. It's balanced. The apricot jam, first of all, apricot jam is not as sweet as the other jams that I like to use. So the savoriness of the ketchup, the soy, the Worcestershire, the butter, everything, the chicken that was already cooking in the skillet and the chicken juices and the peppers, it just balances out. So it's not sweet. It just has a nice smoky flavor in the back and just super savory and delicious. And it complements the bacon jalapeno rice really, really well. So if you give this recipe a try, make sure you tag me, send me a pic, and let me know what you think. And I love you guys. Bye.